Back to our channel.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a hair store wig. Now you guys, this is a lace frontal wig from the hair store. It's clearly not 13 by 4, but you know all the packaging says that, and it's a wet and wavy wig. And here's the information about it. I honestly don't remember because it's been a little minute, but yeah, this is the wig after I bleached and plucked it, and I'm going to simply walk you guys through this install. As you guys can tell, I love doing wig installs, and I prefer wigs over anything because it's so simple and it doesn't take that long. Now, I've already did the ball cap, and for some reason the ball cap always comes out a lighter color than it does in person. But anyway, I'm just simply fitting the wig on her head, and I did not put no makeup on this lace for this installation because, as you can see, it's kind of close to her skin already. Now, all you really have to do is cut around the ear tabs to try to fit the wig to your client's head as close as possible. And we're really trying to see what look we're going for. Now, the glue I've used today is Bowl Hold Active, and I'm going to use 3 layers of it. And I got this little brush, that spatula looking thing from the hair store. It wasn't nothing but like $2 or $3, but if I find them on Amazon, I might link them down for you guys below. But anyway, just put 3 layers on there and try not to put another layer on there until it has dried. And this glue actually dries very fast. As you can see, one side has dried by the time I get to the other side. Now, as I stated before, this glue dries pretty fast, so I try to stick the lace down as soon as I get done applying that last layer, because by the time I'm done, it's dry. Now, after you set the wig down, make sure you line it up with the glue, or try your best to. It's okay if you have more parts that you have to add extra glue to, but you just want to get the client to hold it down, and then you're going to blow dry it. Now I'm just hot combing everything out of the way because, of course, I hate this hairline, so I really had to go in and make her another hairline, as you can see. And it's really simple, but if you guys want a more detailed video on that, let me know. For right now, all you see me doing is just hand plucking, well, just pulling out the part that I need out so I can kind of fix her hairline to match her actual hairline. After you do that, you're going to cut it, and you can cut it with a razor or with scissors. I like the razor, but you guys have to make sure you have a brand new razor, and please don't cut your clients. But do y'all see how seamless that looks? Like, it really blended for real, for real. But of course, the camera doesn't like me, and it's going to make it look way lighter than what it already is. But it's going to blend in the end, y'all. Just keep watching. Also, these little ear tabs you see me looking for, make sure it is comfortable around your client's ear. 1, if it's not, of course, it's going to be uncomfortable for them. And 2, if it's not, your lace is not going to lay as flat as you want it to. I'm telling y'all, just listen. So this part, I'm just kind of melting the lace in some more. All I'm doing is parting out the baby hairs, and then I'm about to spray some, I cannot remember what this spray is called. I'm going to show y'all. Oh yeah, bed heads. I'm going to spray some bed heads on it and wrap the elastic band down. You can spray got to be spray, but you know I like to switch it up from time to time. But I usually lay the baby hair out first because I want them to lay in the direction it's going. But if they're not getting baby hair, of course you wouldn't do this. Now all I did was blow dry it. After I blow dry it, I'm going to cut the baby hairs and I'm going to lay the baby hairs, and then I'm going to wrap the baby hairs down. And I use Nairobi foam on her baby hairs. And then after that, I'm going to sit her under the dryer, and then I'm going to come back to you after she gets from under the dryer. So this is her from under the dryer, and this is really just a styling portion. I'm just going to make her part, then hot comb it, but you guys see this melt. I feel like I actually did good. I don't think I'm as good. I'm not, okay, put it this way. I'm not as good as I want to be, but I'm getting better. But once I do get there, I'm telling y'all, I'm going to be so freaking raw. But anyway, we're just finna part her hair, and then if you part her hair, you want to hot comb it down, you want to use the wax stick. After that, you just want to put some makeup in the part so the part can look more realistic. I feel like wider parts look more realistic. I don't like those super skinny parts. Well, we were also trying to figure out a style, but we end up just wetting it because I was honestly going to curl it because I love curling everybody's hair. But we just go wet it. And then you guys, please like, share, and comment and tell me what you guys think of the end result.